Hey everyone, welcome back to Asad Tech and Review YouTube channel. If you are into streaming, podcasting, gaming or content creation of any kind, the gear you use can make or break your output. And when it comes to audio, a good microphone is absolutely essential. In today's review, we're diving into a feature-packed mic that doesn't just sound good, it's look good, feels good and performs like a beast. This is the Maono DM40 Pro Desktop Microphone. A powerful USB wireless mic that claims to bring studio level performance with gamer focused aesthetics. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. So first things first, let's check out what you get inside the box. The packaging is clean and premium, typical of what we have come to expect from Maono in recent years. Inside you will find the DM40 Pro microphone itself, which has a solid build and a bit of weight to it. Definitely doesn't feel cheap. Then we have a USB-A to USB-C cable, a detachable stand that gives you good angling flexibility, a user manual and of course a Type-C charging cable for the wireless functionality. Pretty simple and straightforward, and I like that Maono doesn't overcomplete the unboxing experience. Now let's talk design. The Maono DM40 Pro looks stunning right out of the box. The matte black finish with customizable RGB lighting gives it that sleek and modern gamer aesthetic without going overboard. It easily fits into any setup, whether you are a pro streamer with an RGB heavy desk or someone who prefers a minimalistic vibe. The build quality is solid, the buttons are tactile and everything about this mic feels premium and well thought out. And yes, this is not just a wired USB mic. The DM40 Pro is wireless, which is a massive deal for streamers or podcasters who want a clean setup without cable clutter. It uses low latency 2.4 GHz wireless technology to deliver lag-free performance. And what really blew my mind is the battery life. You get up to 75 hours of continuous use. That's 3 full days of uninterrupted recording or streaming on a single charge. Whether you're doing long Twitch streams, recording multiple podcast episodes or just head recharging your gear constantly, this mic has your back. Now let's talk about the most important part, sound quality. The Maono DM40 Pro delivers studio quality audio, and I am not just saying that. From the first test, the sound came through rich, full and detailed. Vocals are very clear, deep and well-rounded. Without that annoying tinning you sometimes get in budget mics. Whether you are narrating a video, chatting on Discord or recording vocals on content creation, this mic handles it like a pro. But what really takes it to the next level is the 4-level noise cancellation. This mic features low, medium, high and custom noise cancellation modes. So whether you are recording in a quiet room or a noisy environment, the DM40 Pro adapts to your surroundings. I tested it with background noise like fans, keyboard clicks or even street sounds, and the mic handled it impressively well. You can even tweak the noise cancellation levels through the Maono's dedicated software, Maono Link. Speaking of the Maono Link software, it is a total game changer. Once you plug the mic into your PC, you can open Maono Link and fully customize your sound experience. You get EQ controls, gain adjustments, mic monitoring, RGB lighting options, and yes, even AI voice effects. This mic comes with 10 AI voice changing effects built in. Want to sound like a superhero, a robot, a monster, or something totally unrecognizable? You can do that in just a couple of clicks. It's a fun feature, especially for gamers and streamers who want to add a bit of flair to their content. And because it's controlled through the software, switching between voices is super easy and intuitive. Another feature I absolutely loved is the real-time zero latency monitoring. This means you can plug in your headphones directly into the mic and hear your voice exactly as it's being captured in real time with no delay. For anyone doing voiceovers, podcast or live content, this is a crucial tool to ensure your audio levels and tone are just right while recording. And let's not forget the one-touch mute button. This is a lifesaver during live streams or Zoom meetings when you need to quickly go silent without fumbling around. Just one tap and you are muted. There's also an intuitive gain adjustment control that gives you precise control over your input levels without needing to dig into software. In terms of connectivity, the DM40 Pro supports both USB-A and USB-C, so it's compatible with a wide range of devices. Windows PCs, Macs, laptops, even mobile phones with OTG support. Just plug and play. No drivers, no hassle. Now let's talk about the RGB lighting, because come on, what's a gaming microphone without RGB these days? The DM40 Pro gives you a full RGB customization. With over 16 million color combinations and dynamic effects, you can match your mic to your setup, charge the vibe for different scenes, or just set it to pulse with your voice for extra flair during live streams. Again, everything is controlled via Maono Link, and the UI is super simple. So, who is this mic for? Honestly, I would recommend the Maono DM40 Pro to a wide range of users. If you are a streamer, it's got the style, sound quality, and wireless freedom you need. If you are a podcaster or a YouTuber, the clarity and real-time monitoring make it a great fit. Even if you are just a gamer looking for a mic that sounds professional and looks cool, this is it. And because it works well right out of the box, even beginners won't have a hard time using it. Now, it's not the cheapest mic on the market, but considering what you are getting, wireless performance, long battery life, AI voice effects, RGB customization, studio level audio, and advanced noise cancellation, it's definitely worth the price. To wrap things up, the Maono DM40 Pro is an incredibly well-rounded microphone that nails it in every department. It's stylish, smart, powerful, and packed with features that both beginners and pros will appreciate. Whether you are streaming, gaming, recording, or just vibing, this mic delivers. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Asad Tech and Review, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.